Let's solve this equation quickly. It says root of 2x over 2x is equal to 3. Okay, how do we do this? First thing to do is to multiply both sides by 2x. I'll go ahead and multiply this side by 2x, and you remember whatever you do on the left hand side, you do on the right hand side. So I multiply this side by 2x. The reason for doing this is to eliminate this denominator. Okay, so this denominator will take this 2x, and I'm left with root of 2x to be equal to 3 times 2 is 6, and you have x. Okay, now at this point, the next thing I want to eliminate is the square root sign. So first we eliminated this, okay, the denominator. Now I want to eliminate this, the power or square root sign. Okay, now doing this, eliminating square roots, we need to square. Okay, opposite of square root to square. So we'll raise this side to the power of 2, or we'll square it. And because we did it on the left hand side, we'll also do it on the right hand side. Okay, so this square root take the square. So we're left with only 2x to be equal to 6 squared, 36. X squared is x squared. Okay, so now what we're left with is dividing both sides by 2, we have x is equal to 18x squared. Okay, hence we have 18x squared minus x to give us 0. Okay, so we have a quadratic equation we can solve to get 2 of the answers. Remember, an equation, okay, has answers dependent on the number of the power of the variable. So the highest power of the variable is the number of answers the equation will have. So because the highest power of x here is 2, it means that this equation should have 2 answers. And invariably, if you factor out, you can factor out x. So we have x into 18x minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence, we have that x is equal to, so when the product of two things are equal to 0 or is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either that this is equal to 0 or, okay, or 18x minus 1 equals 0, which implies that 18x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 over 18. So it's either that x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 over 18. Cheers.